Okay, lawn fans, you ready? This is what we call spot leveling. Sand in low areas to level it out. I did not do the entire yard, just spot leveling. This is what we call lawn leveling or top dressing. Here. We did his entire front yard. Well, we had 4 tons of sand. And my yard spot leveling and then doing a complete top dressing, that took 4 tons. So, again, this is spot leveling. Right here. This is sand. That's top dressing. Lawn leveling there. Not gonna bore y'all with a video about it, just gonna show you the difference. So I had some lower lying area. This is from AT&T coming through. These are just areas after the last leveling I did. The rain came in, everything settled down and needed to be touched up. Same thing over here in this area. That's all sand. I put them down in clumps everywhere in the yard, knocked them over with the gardening rake. Then I had a leveling rake that I smoothed everything out with, and that's pretty much it. It took me from 2 o'clock today, and it's a little after 6. Bermuda Brian, out.